Oak leaves to treat diabetes and obesity. Oak plants are found everywhere in different species. It bears bluish white flowers with thorny fruits. How oak leaves can treat obesity and diabetes. Take two full leaves of oak plant. From the opposite side, which is little rough, place it on your feet sole and wear socks. Do the same with both the feet. Make sure that the leaves are touching your soles completely. Allow the leaves to stay there for a whole day before going to sleep. Remove it and wash your legs. Repeat the process with new leaves for a week. After the week, go for the blood sugar checkup. Scientific base of using oak leaves for diabetes. Every curious mind asks the question, how? It is good thing. You must be getting curious to know how actually oak leaves helps to lower blood glucose. According to an experiment done in rats, they found that the leaves and the flowers were effective to lower down serum glucose. The administration of leaf and flower extracts to streptozotocin-induced diabetic rats showed a significant reduction in serum glucose levels. It is concluded that chloroform extracts of Calotropis gigantea leaves and flowers have significant anti-diabetic activity. Precautions for oak leaves. The milk oozing from oak leaves are poisonous. Don't allow it to go inside your eyes, otherwise it can damage your sight. If you are diabetic patient or fed up of unhealthy body, then must give it a try. Take care and live well.